Welcome to AVT presentation on AVT Fixed Assets for NetSuite. The AVT Fixed Asset for NetSuite is a fully integrated fixed asset management system for NetSuite. To see how the system works, we can create an asset from a PO or a bill. So here's a bill record, and on the bill, let's just receive a bill for an asset. So let's say it's some furniture that we are purchasing, and while receiving or creating the bill, we have the option to create the asset. So we can specify an asset label, and that could be automatically generated by the system, but if you have a label that is a serial number of some sort given by the supplier, you can key that in. So let's put this here. Description, let's say it's a table. The asset category, you can set up as many categories as you want. The asset category will automatically initialize the depreciation percentage and the depreciation method. Just add this item. You can receive as many lines as you would like on the bill, and you can also manage that on the items tab. So let's just go ahead and save this bill. You'll notice that upon saving the bill, an asset is automatically created from the bill. That's available under the Assets tab. You can click onto the asset and see the different fields have been initialized on the asset automatically from the bill. So the asset has the vendor and the bill that relates to the asset, the date of the purchase of the asset cost, and the current value of the asset. Under the depreciation settings, we'll see that there is a automatic initialization of the depreciation method, the percentage, the different accounts that are related to the asset under the accounting settings, and there's a tab for depreciation schedules. Over here you'll see that none of the schedules are created. We manage the schedule process by a batch process. So at the end of the month, when you're ready to create your schedules and process your schedules, you go ahead and do that through the depreciation create schedule screen. Let's just choose May and submit. This will automatically create all the schedules for all assets that we have in the system for month of May. That process will take only a few seconds depending on the volume of assets you've got in the system. Once the schedules have been created, you can go ahead and process that schedule. Let's just choose May. You'll see a listing of all the assets in the system and their depreciation values automatically calculated from the schedules. Just mark all, submit. Upon submission, a automatic posting would be created in NetSuite, and a journal creating the accumulated depreciation values and the expense managed account would be managed for you. You get a number of reports. We have an as of report. Let's run an as of report as of June. You'll see the report's quite detailed. It'll give you everything about you need to know about the asset, as to what was purchased, the opening balances, any additions within that period, and the closing balance of the asset within the period, any depreciations, current and disposals, and if there was any receipts that needed to be accounted for. It's all tracked under this report. It's summarized by asset category. So here are my subtotals. A similar report is available from your balance sheet. If I just go down here, I can see my fixed assets accounts. me just click on to furniture. I can see all my journals there. Under the AVT Assets tab, you can view all your assets. And the accumulated depreciation schedules that have been processed for the assets. You can also automatically create the assets manually in NetSuite through CSV imports, or essentially manually type that in and follow the same process. If any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.